You used to believe in yourself, but now you second guess everything. Why? You now ask yourself, is it really possible for me to achieve this goal? Is it really possible to achieve success? Losing self-trust is not something that happens overnight. Losing self-trust is something that happens gradually. It's a gradual process. And most people are not even aware of this. They are not aware. So quickly, let me give you three major reasons why people no longer trust themselves. Number one, they fail to keep to promises. When you are not able to keep to the things you promise yourself, your self-confidence reduces. You promised to show up today, but you didn't show up. You promised to start that project today, but you didn't do it. And as time goes on, because it will definitely become a habit. You promise to do something today, you didn't do it. You promise to do something tomorrow, you didn't do it. It becomes a habit to you. And as it goes on, the confidence you have in yourself, it will begin to reduce. And the time will come when you no longer believe in your words. Just imagine that you don't believe in yourself. That's a problem. No, you need to believe in yourself. The second reason why people no longer trust themselves is they are too concerned about what people say. You don't need anyone's validation for your vision to be valid. You don't need it. You don't need it. And your problem is you are too concerned with what others are saying about you. You are living with the script you were given to. Somebody told you or somebody called you a failure doesn't mean you are a failure. Somebody met you on the road and that person told you you are stupid, you are foolish. So whenever you sit down, you now see yourself as someone who is stupid. You now see yourself as someone who is foolish. Don't live with the script you were given. You can write and live with your own script. Ask yourself, who am I? If you don't know who you are, you will be told who you are not. Ask yourself, who am I? Write it in a piece of paper. You are not a failure. You are a success. You are a blessing. You are this, you are that. You write it down and you live with that script. So when somebody tells you you are a failure, no. I already have a script I wrote for myself that I am a success. If you know that you are a success, if somebody tells you you are a failure, you know that is a lie. That's a lie. What people say about you doesn't really matter to what you say or what you tell yourself. And then the third reason why people no longer trust themselves is they are too afraid of failing again. Maybe you tried once and it didn't work. So you are too scared of trying again. You see, failure doesn't mean you can't do it. Failure means you are still learning. So when you fail, get up. When you fail, you get up. You do the things you need to do because I don't really know. Do the things you need to do. Failure doesn't mean you can't do it. It means you are still learning. It means you've not mastered what you are doing. That is the simple truth about it. So how do you start trusting yourself again? Number one is keep to promise. Make small promises to yourself so that you'll be able to keep to it. Give yourself small promise. I will do this thing. And make sure you do it. Make sure you do it. Small. Start like that. Start like that. Don't start big, start small. Keep to small promises. You grow like that. You grow like that. And then the second thing, how to build self-trust. is write your own script. Write your own script. Write your own script. Somebody told you you are a failure doesn't mean you are a failure. You are a failure only when you let that information to live in your mind. And then the third thing, how to build self-trust, is take actions. Or when you promise yourself something, you are not able to do it not because you are not capable, but because you don't take actions. Take actions. If you don't take actions, you sit down and then you let everything view like that. And then finally, how to build self-confidence is don't just trust your strength. Make sure you have routines. When you wake up, you write the structure. How is your day going to look like? You can have it in your mind or you write it in a piece of paper. This is what I am going to do. After this, I'll do this. After this, I'll do this. And keep to it. If this video spoke to you, know that you don't need anyone's validation for your vision to be valid. And also subscribe. Thank you very much. And thank you for watching to the end.